Hey everybody, Tim here from Michigan Outdoors Report. I've got my beautiful daughter Aliyah with me today. We're out here again on Burt Lake. We're gonna try it again. As you can see, she's quite a character. All right.
Hello.
So we're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully we can get some more fish on the ice today. So stay with us. There we go. Ah. There's more down there, Aliyah. There we go. A little bit slower day today, but we're getting a few. Nothing on the ice yet. There we go. Got one. There's a keeper. There we go. They're few and far between today, but there we go. Finally got one to add to our pile at home. Got one.
Oh, good. Oh my. I just saw. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing gills. I'm seeing gills breathing.
Oh, there's more fish down there. Got another one. Did you get one?
Yes.
Oh, there we go.
I feel the nibbles.
There's a good one. We're keeping this one for sure.
Oh no.
Well, this one's got like a weird thing on it. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
See that? Different.
Which type of disease?
Another one for the dinner plate.
Be with your friend. Oh my gosh. They like flopped, so now you can see the size.
There we go. We got a little school moving through here, Aliyah. Class is in session.
Oh my.
That one's going back. Oh, there's a bunch down there, Aliyah.
Time for class.
All right, picking up a little here now.
I think I got one.
Yeah, Leah's on the board.
Yes.
There we go. Nice job, Aliyah.
Oh my gosh.
Keeper on top of it.
Oh my
Look
gosh.
at that. Way to go.
I did it.
That's how you do it right there. Nice job.
Oh,
good work.
My beautiful fish.
You did that. That was all you. All right, there's more down there.
That's probably the biggest one yet.
You did. You caught the biggest one, I think, so far.
My gosh.
Oh, I missed him.
Felt a tug. One sneaky fish is eaten.
There we go.
One sneaky fish is eating all my worms.
Oh, they got a little small. Get it down there. There's more fish down there, I see.
I know, but I have no bait.
It's okay.
Okay.
I haven't had bait on mine in a little bit, and I'm still catching them, so. There we go. This one feels good. We'll see here. Yep, there we go. Another keeper.
Right when it gets windy.
They're getting bigger.
Yes.
Alright, Leah's got another one. We got 4 on the ice.
Come on.
Oh, he got off right there.
I just saw.
Oh, that one got off at the hole.
Right.
That was a keeper too. That was another nice one.
Oh, it looked kind of small.
So we got a good school of fish coming in here, so.
Yeah, we got 4.
There we go. There's more down there, so get ready. Get yourself ready.
Yeah, get ready.
Using these Simcoes again today.
Oh.
Aliyah's got the pink that she picked out, and I've got green. And just like our last video, we started using wax worms. Now we're baitless. No other.
Yeah, we're wilderness baitless.
We're going full wilderness.
Yeah.
Baitless. That's what Aliyah says. Full wilderness fishing right here on Michigan Outdoors Report. Oh, fish down there.
Yes, a fish! fish, 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 fish.
All right.
Yes!
Good job. Good job.
Yes. Is it a keeper or not? I think it is.
It's a little. Hold on.
Hurry up or the fish will die. Gotta make your decision. Be free. Be free.
Hey, there's more fish down there. There's a little one. That's all right. A little one's better than none.
Yep.
There you go. There's more down there. I got a good mark down there right now. There's one.
I think it's a little too small to be in the big
Yeah,
house.
we're gonna give it some more time. I'm gonna throw this one back. But there are more down there.
Yeah, it's too little to be in the big house yet. Is it alive? Do you got a fish?
Yep.
You have a fish.
Oh man. Oh no.
Oh, got some
Oh, got off at the hole there. Okay. That one was a throwback anyways.
Dada had a fish, but then it went back into the water where it belonged because it was not going to be a keeper. That
There you go.
doesn't mean that we didn't want to throw it back. Well, it probably does mean that. Never mind. No. Bam, 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 bam.
It's coming back up. There we go.
Mama, you cut one. You cut one. Oh,
There we go.
Yes,
Another
it's
keeper. Nice.
Yeah.
There's some more. There's another good mark down there. So there's another good fish, it looks like. All
Now
right,
we
that's
got
5
1,
for the
2,
ice.
3, 4, 5.
That's right. We'll
Oh my
call that.
We got a ton of fish. Especially.
We'll call that a high five, Aliyah.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, I guess I should be paying attention. There we go.
That's never ever fish.
There's some more down there. They might be coming over to you. That's the smaller one. We'll go back.
It's probably the smallest one.
Fishing's picking up here, isn't it?
Yep.
Got another one.
Oh my, we're getting all the fish. Oh my, now that's the smallest one.
That's a small one.
It's probably like a topper or a kid. Maybe even a teen. I don't know how small fish are.
There you go.
Yes, 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 yes.
Is it down there? Oh, it got off.
Aww.
There's one.
Oh.
There's another one. Smaller one, I think.
Oh my, you could
Yep.
Oh my.
This one's gonna go back.
Yeah, I can tell. It's too small. Okay, I need to get back down at bottom.
Yeah, there's some fish down there.
I'm feeling nipples. Oh yes, yes,
There you
yes,
go.
yes, 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 yes.
There you go.
Oh please, 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 please. Yes.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
I think it could be big enough.
It's pretty close.
Yeah,
I think.
No, it's about the size as that fish. Though.
I don't know. I think we should throw it back. I don't think it's quite keeper size yet. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna get much of a fillet off of that, so we'll let it get bigger. You come out and catch it again, okay?
Okay.
Put it back down there. There's looks like there's a bunch of fish down there right now.
Oh no.
Good job. This one. All right, guys, that wraps it up from Burt Lake. Aliyah and I had a great time. The fishing was kind of hot and cold. Schools of fish would come in, and sometimes they were hitting and biting like crazy. Other times they were coming in and swimming away. So the best bite was probably between 3:30 and 4:30. We put 5 keepers on the ice today. I think Aliyah lost another one at the hole, but we had fun. So Simcoe bugs was our go-to again, hot pink and green, just like last time. A lot of times we were catching fish without the hooks tipped with anything. So fishing 14.5 foot of water out here in Maple Bay on Burt Lake. So just was a great day of fishing. Not bad for just a few hours on the ice. So what do you think? Should we do it again?
I don't know.
Alright, she's sold. I'm sold too. Hey, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you could at 500 subscribers. Hit that like button too. And once we get to 500 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway. So lots of great prizes there. $170 worth of prizes that we're looking to give away. So thanks again, guys. We'll have more videos coming soon. Good luck out there.